Welcome, my amazing friend. Today, we explore the incredible journey of a small boy from Argentina who became one of the greatest footballers of all time, Lionel Messi. This is not just a story about football, it's a story about faith, family, and fighting the odds. A tiny boy with a giant dream. Lionel Messi was born on June 24, 1987, in Rosario, Argentina. From the age of 5, he had one love, football. He would dribble the ball everywhere, on streets, in fields, at school. People could see he had magic in his feet. But there was a problem. Messi was too small for his age. At just 11 years old, doctors discovered he had a growth hormone deficiency. His body wasn't growing like other kids. The treatment was expensive, $500 a month, and his family couldn't afford it. Most clubs in Argentina rejected him. He's too weak, they said. He'll never make it. A life-changing chance in Barcelona. Then something amazing happened. FC Barcelona heard about this little genius. They watched him play, and after just a few minutes, they knew, this boy was special. Barcelona made a bold promise, they would pay for his treatment and give him a chance to train with their academy, La Masia. At just 13, Messi left his home, his friends, and his country to chase a dream in Spain. He was shy. He missed home. He cried at night. But he never stopped playing. Turning struggles into strength. Messi trained harder than anyone. He was quiet, humble, and focused. He let his football speak for him, and what it said was extraordinary. By the age of 17, he made his debut for FC Barcelona. The world began to notice the boy who once stood too small now stood among giants, and beat them all. But even with talent, success wasn't easy. Messi battled injuries, pressure, and constant comparisons. He faced heartbreaks too, especially with the Argentine national team. Final after final, he lost. Critics called him a failure. But he never gave up. The legend is born. After years of heartbreak, in 2021, Messi finally lifted his first major international trophy, the Copa America. And then, in 2022, he led Argentina to win the FIFA World Cup, completing the fairy tale. From a fragile boy in Rosario to a world champion in Qatar, Lionel Messi's journey is the ultimate story of perseverance. The lesson. Messi's story reminds us. You don't have to be loud to be legendary. You don't have to be big to be strong. You just have to believe, and never give up. As Messi once said. You have to fight to reach your dream. You have to sacrifice and work hard for it. Stay inspired and never stop chasing your dreams. This is TalkUP English, where every true story helps you learn English and life lessons together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, my amazing friend.